Good morning children. Welcome to Nath Home Connect. Today we are going to learn class 6 mathematics numbers, comparing numbers. Day 15. Concept is comparing numbers. So here rule is there. Let us see. Number having more digits is greater than the number having less digits. Number having more digits, ఎక్కువ digits ఉంటే that is greater and less digits ఉంటే that is lesser. So let us see here example. Compare the following numbers by less than or greater than sign. So that is the symbol for greater than and less than. So what is the sum here? 126 and 24. So we have to write the symbol. How to write this? Let us see the solution. So step 1 is first count the digits. Here 126 is there. Here 126 is there. How many digits? 126. 126 has 3 digits. And 24 is there. 24 has 2 digits. Now step 2 is number having more digits is bigger. So ఎక్కువ digits ఉంటే that is greater కదా. Here 126 is greater than 24. Now let us see another example. Comparing the following numbers by writing greater than or less than. So here is the number 9,99,999 and 10 lakhs. So which one is greater here? Let us see in stepwise. So solution step 1. So we have to count the digits now. 9,99,999. It has 6 digits. Then count for 10 lakhs. It has 7 digits. Now step 2 is number having more digits is bigger. Here ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ కైతే ఎక్కువ డిజిట్స్ ఉంటే దాన్ని బిగ్గర్ అంటాం, అంతే కదా. సో ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ డిజిట్స్ ఉన్న నెంబర్ ఏది? 6 or 7? 7. సో 10 lakhs is greater than 9,99,999. Is it clear children? So try yourself. Comparing the following numbers by writing the correct sign greater than or less than. So ఇక్కడ numbers ఇచ్చారు కదా, greater than less than మీరు రాయాలి. So numbers are given here. Let us see. First one 18,92,563 and 8,86,521. So here which one is greater you have to write. Next one 6,94,52,650 and 69,69,155. Here also write greater symbol. Okay. So practice these sums. Next rule. So rule 2 is if two numbers have same number of digits, then start comparing corresponding digits from first. అంటే ఏంటి? టూ నెంబర్స్కి సేమ్ డిజిట్స్ ఉంటే మనం ఫస్ట్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుని కంపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? Is it clear children? Now let us see another example. Comparing the following numbers by writing greater than or less than symbol. So number is here. The number is 1,87,53,829 and 1,85,72,629. So let us see the solution. So step 1 is we have to count the digits. So count the digits. It has 8 digits. The first number has 18753,829 has 8 digits. And the another number 18572,629 has 8 digits. So here same 8 digits are there. Then what to do? So start comparing from first. మామూలుగా అయితే ఏది బిగ్ డిజిట్ ఉంటే అది అటువైపు సింబల్ వేసుకుంటాం. కానీ ఇక్కడ రెండు ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు వీ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ నుంచి చూసుకోవాలి. సో హియర్ 2 నెంబర్స్ కంపేర్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ సేమ్, సెకండ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 88 సేమ్, థర్డ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 7 and 5. So which one is big here? 7 or 5? 7. Clearly 7 greater than 5. Therefore 1,87,53,829 greater than 1,85,72,629. Is it clear, children? Try yourself. So compare the following numbers by writing the correct sign, greater than or less than. So sums are given here. You have to write the symbol, greater than symbol or less than symbol. First you have to compare the numbers and then write the symbol. Okay, so practice these sums. So have a nice day, children. Thank you.